Hello everybody! Today we are going to learn how to duplicate and resize or adjust objects in Designer. This is our sample drawing. It's a rectangle with notched corners, some fixing holes along shorter edges. It's a rectangle 900 by 1500. However, we would need to produce also rectangle 900 by 2000 and 900 by 2500. In order to do that, I'm gonna use those copy and resize tools to be quicker and more efficient. So let's start Designer to show you how it really works. I'm gonna set my perimeters first. Hole shape, square, perforation, CU square hole, square pitch, diameter 10. And hole pitch, individual. You can enter any value you want. I'm gonna go for 14.7 and pattern hole straight. And the material, still 2 millimeters. Surface without further treatment. I'm ready to add position. I confirm my perimeters and click on the next button. And now we are in the template section. I'm gonna go and choose one of MEVACO templates. Rectangle with notched corners will be perfect for this session. So I'm gonna enter my dimensions 900 by 1500. Speaking of other dimensions, I'm gonna leave them as they are because they are pretty much correct. So we can click on Create. Turning out the grid and going to perforated zone section. Everything looks fine. There are still some fixing holes missing, so I'm going to fixing holes section. And here I'm gonna use tool for placing fixing holes along one edge. It's a type of array. Choose a type of fixing hole, round, size 20 millimeters diameter, a number of holes. We need 3 holes. Distance from the edge, and you already have a preview of those three holes. Distance from the edge is 35. Okay, I have adjusted it, and distance from corner is 155. Great. As you move your mouse pointer to the other edges, those fixing holes are placed accordingly. But let's stick to those shorter edges. I'm gonna place it here and confirm it with a click. And again here, and click to confirm this action. You can go to preview. Our perforated sheet is ready. 900 by 1500. Now we can go to the summary in order to copy this drawing. It's very easy. Click on this blue icon and click on copy. Now we can edit this drawing by clicking on this pencil. Again, I go to fixing holes section and choose selection tool. Turn with the grid. I would like to select those points. I need to select contour, fixing holes, but also perforation zone, as I would like to extend them to the right by 500 millimeters. So I'm gonna draw a rectangular marquee with selection tool. I click and hold the left button with my mouse, right? And release this button. So those points have been selected, as you see here, with those dots. Now I can move it by 500. Here we are. You see this preview. I'm gonna confirm with enter. We are ready. So we have created another perforated sheet, 900 by 2000. I'm gonna go back to the summary and repeat those actions. So copy, enter this drawing, going to fixing holes section and using selection tool, turning out the grid and drawing a rectangular marquee. I'm gonna move those points by 500 along the axis and enter. You're almost there. 900 by 2500 is ready. Go to the summary and adjust the numbers. We would like to have 10 pieces of each metal sheet plate. 10 and 10. And we are done. All you need to do now is to press calculate, and that will allow you to make your order. Thank you very much for attending this session. Have a nice day.